So today I'll be featuring my product. ऐसे दिखा देंगे ना, देखो भाई, what is this? ऐसे करके खराब नहीं लगता। तो इतनी एक बिना वास्ता मैं तुमको बता नहीं सकती. So today I'll be
All the boys who have textured hair and don't know how to style their hair easily and don't want to use 5 different products, I'm going to show you how you can style your hair with only one styling product. Because why not? I got someone to experiment with today. He's my big brother. So now we'll jump right into the wash routine. So first, he's going to use a sulfate free shampoo to clean his hair. So I would totally recommend a sulfate free shampoo as they are really mild for your hair and sulfates are really harsh for your scalp. So try to use a sulfate free shampoo and massage it through your hair for a few seconds and then rinse it out with water, obviously. So now just squeeze out the excess water before applying the conditioner. So now he's going to apply the conditioner, as conditioner really helps in providing the moisture back to your hair, making your hair moisturized, hydrated and soft in the end. So do not skip conditioning. Apply the conditioner on the length of your hair and then scrunch your hair nicely. And now you can leave your hair for 5 to 10 minutes and then take a wide tooth comb, or you can just finger detangle your hair to make sure no knots are left behind, because textured hair are supposed to comb when they are in conditioner. Do not dry brush your hair, otherwise it will open up your curl pattern. So just rinse off the conditioner now. So now use a cotton t-shirt or a microfiber towel to squeeze out the excess water, as your regular towel are really harsh on your hair, making your hair dry and rough. So try to use a cotton t-shirt as they are really gentle on your hair. So now it's time to style your hair. So today we are going to use only gel because he really wanted a minimal routine. So using a styling product is really essential, as a styling product really help with definition and hold throughout the week. So I am just taking the gel and raking it through his hair, making sure that every side of his hair gets the gel equally. So now I am just scrunching his hair, as scrunching really helps in enhancing the curl pattern and helps with the formation of your natural texture. So do not skip the scrunching part, as it really helps. So now just scrunch properly and then leave your hair to air dry or diffuse. If you are going to air dry it, do not touch your hair in between, otherwise it will create frizz. And if you are going to diffuse it, make sure to air dry your hair for at least 15 to 20 minutes so that a gel cast is formed. So now I will first just hover diffuse it and then I'll start cupping his hair for more definition. So I will make a different video all about diffuser only, so stay tuned for that. So now his hair is dry. And ta-da! So now I'm just scrunching his hair to break any gel cast. If you have air dried your hair only, then you will feel a gel cast around your hair. So just scrunch your hair gently, it will break the cast. So now it's time for the final result. So this is the result he got today. So you can see his hair is pretty defined and he got really defined curls, especially in the front, because he has good length in the front area. So it was his first time using any styling product. He has never used gel or anything. It was his first time following the curly girl method. So I am really impressed by the result and he was also really happy with the result. And I will try to link more styling products in the description box below, cream, gels or mousse. You can check it out. So now he is just pareshan with my behavior. So now it's time for the volume. So you can use a pick or you can just use your finger to just wiggle your scalp gently to have a voluminous scalp area. So just wiggle your hair gently, do not try to create frizz or anything. So now just don't do this. I have seen my brother, especially him, he just puts his finger inside the roots and then stretch out his hair. It really ruins the curl pattern and just break up the curls, so just avoid doing it. So that's all for today. I will link everything in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So if you are going to try this out, do let me know in the comment section below, or if you are a newbie, you can check my previous video in which I have explained everything in detail. So I hope you find this video informative, and if you do so, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and do share it with your curly heads. Till then, bye.